This program will discuss the general safety and health hazards associated with welding and cutting, and examine hazards and controls specific to oxyfuel gas welding, cutting, and arc welding. Whenever possible, the focus will be on relevant standards. The hazards associated with welding and cutting arise from toxic gases and fumes, radiation, electrical circuits, inflammable and combustible materials. Chemical agents commonly encountered in welding include the fumes of nickel, zinc, iron oxide, copper, cadmium, fluorides, manganese, and chromium, and gases such as carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, and ozone. Physical agents include visible, infrared, and ultraviolet radiation, noise, vibration, thermal energy, and electrical energy. Fumes generated during welding and cutting operations may arise from the base metal being worked on, from coatings previously applied to the base metal, from the flux present, or from the filler metal being used. Other than fumes, other solid materials, such as fluxes and filler metal, may enter the air as fugitive dusts. Mineral and metal dusts may also be produced. Fumes may produce a variety of effects. For instance, metal fume fever is an acute disease of short duration caused by the inhalation of metal oxide fumes, such as zinc, copper, and magnesium. Symptoms include respiratory disturbances resembling an infection, influenza, fever, acute bronchitis, pneumonia. Chills, shivering, trembling, nausea, and vomiting may also occur. These symptoms most frequently occur after the first exposure following a period of relief, such as a Monday after a weekend off. In addition, welders exposed to fumes containing such substances as iron, chromium, chromates, lead, and aluminum may suffer damage to the lungs, lung cancer, possible nervous system problems, and irritation to the eyes, nose, throat, and lungs. Injuries to the eye occur when eye protection is either not properly worn or not worn at all to protect against the electrical welding arc. These injuries include keratitis, penetration, and retinal injury, such as welder's flash. Exposure of the skin to ultraviolet radiation from welding and cutting can result in a skin burn resembling a severe sunburn. Chronic dermatosis may also result from welding torch radiation. Hearing loss may be suffered due to hazardous noise levels or traumatic injury to the ear caused by flying metal. Another hazard resulting from welding and cutting is reduced muscle power and